children, how are you? I think you are safe and at home. Today I am going to teach mathematics. In mathematics, we are going to learn skip counting, two-digit numbers, place value, comparing, ordering and forming numbers. These topics are in the numbers. Today only two topics we are going to learn: skip counting and the two-digit numbers. Skip counting. In numbers, skip counting. Skip counting makes counting faster because we skip some numbers as we count. What is skip counting? Skip counting makes counting faster because we skip some numbers as we count. The skip counting. Two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers starts from the 10. From 10. 10 comes 1, 0, 10. 11, 1, 1. Like that. Still 9, 9, 99. Still that we are going to learn two-digit numbers. Place value, comparing, ordering and forming numbers in next class we are going to learn. Skip counting, I told you we can count it fast by skipping the numbers. Now we are counting the numbers means we will tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. But when we skip the numbers, it will go in a leaving one number, it will skip and go. Leaving, jumping one number and going to other number. Now we will see the some example for this. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 10, 14, 16, 20. Now here are the numbers. First, whenever you see the number, you have to identify the pattern. In what pattern the numbers are skipping. Okay, it's jumping and going, whatever it is, first you have to identify. Now here see 2. No 1 and here no 3. So here is a counting by 2's. Skip counting by 2's. 2, 4, 6. Here one number is missing. Just tell me what number here will come. Any guessing? Yes. Now count. 1, 2, 2 fingers keep and come. 2. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here what will come? 7, 8. What number will come here? 8. And 8. Again 2 fingers skip. 9, 10. Then 11. What number missing? 12. Very good. 12. Then 13, 14. 15, 16. Here what number missing? 18. 17, 18. So this is the counting by, skip counting by 2's. This is skip counting by 2's. That we can write like this. 2's. Okay, once again 2 counting, 2 skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now you all understand, students? Yes. Now children, you all learned the counting, skip counting by 2's. in the skip counting twos, just recall it. In first standard you might learn this table. What table? Anyone can guess?
Two tables.
Yes, two tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now skip counting also we learned. In the skip counting, this twos comes where? Easy way to learn the two tables. Understand? Okay. Now we studied skip counting by twos. Now I am going to place some set of numbers there. You have to identify those numbers. It is a skip counting by 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s or 10s. Just carefully watch and just you itself, while arranging itself, you have to count and see in the fingers. So that only you can identify what pattern it is, what skip counting comes.
Yeah, off பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Now children, just see the some numbers I have placed here. Here is 3, 6, 12, 21. Some numbers are missing here. Now you identify what pattern it comes. In which pattern it comes, in a 2s, 3s, 5s or 10s. Come on, count and see. Shall we find out? Okay. Now 3 is here. 3 means you have to keep 3 fingers. After that count and see. 4, 5, 6. 6 comes then again 3 fingers. 7, 8, 9. 9. 9. Again 3 fingers. 10, 11, 12. 12 is here. Then what is missing? Again 3 fingers. 13, 14, 15. What number? 15. Then again 3 fingers. Start. 16, 17, 18. Then start now. 19, 20, 21 is here. And next what number will come? Shall we count? Keep your finger. 22, 23, 24. Next what will come? 25, 26, 27. Can you identify what patterns now we have learned now?
3 patterns.
Skip counting by
3.
threes. Skip counting by
3.
threes. First what you studied?
2.
Twos. Now threes. Twos countings comes under 2 tables. Now threes. Shall you see what table it comes? Okay. Start. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18.
3 sevens are
21. Very good. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27.
3
Tens
tens are
30. Next what number will come?
30.
What number will come? Very good. 3's means you have to tell the 3 tables. 2's counting 2 tables. You all understand, children? Okay, now we'll go to the next topic. Now we are going to learn the skip counting by fives. Fives. All are having 5 fingers? Yes. Just keep your finger like this and start. The starting number is 5 is given. The next what will come? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what number is missing? After 5, if we skip and count, what number will come? 10. What number will come? 10. Again 5 fingers. After 10, start counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, what number is missing here? 15. Come on, keep your finger, keep your finger. Again, start. After 15, what number will start? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is already there. So, next,
21.
start counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next, again 5 fingers. After 25, what number will start? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. After 30, 35 is there. Then we have to start 31 or 36. We have to start 36. After 35, what number will start? 36. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. After 45, 50. Now I am going to give you one. Still 100. Still 100. Next what will come? You have to write as a assignment. In the rough note you have to write. When I ask you to send, that time you have to send in the WhatsApp. Okay, next we will go to the. Now we are going to study the 2-digit numbers. Before we study that, first we will count numbers 1 to 100. Now I have some beads here. You all can see. Now we are going to count how many beads are in my hand. How many beads are in my hand. First we will take the brown color. Brown. Okay. Shall we start? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many brown color beads are here? 10. Now count it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, brown color 10 and green color 10. Total how many beads now we counted? 20. Now what color is this? Black. Start counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now black also how many beads we counted? Now black how many we counted? Still 30. So black also 10. Now what color is this? White. Count start 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many now we start finished? Now what color? Red color. Start counting. How many we start finished? 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So, the 5 colors we counted. Each colors has 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. The next we'll start. What color is this? Purple. Start purple. How many?
51,
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Purple also has how many?
10,
10. So totally how many we counted?
60,
60. Now again start what color?
Green.
Cream color or white color. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So how many colors now we counted?
7,
7 colors. 10, 10, 70. Next, orange color. All can see? Okay, start. 71,
72,
73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 8 set of beads we counted. Now, one more set. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Start. What number you have to start? 81,
82, 83, 84,
85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now last one set is here. Blue color. Start. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So this row full, how many beads we counted? 100. How many colors?
10,
10 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors. Now children, in numbers, 2-digit numbers, the 2 digits starts from tens. From 10 it starts. From 10 to 99 it's finished. Okay. Now we'll see the number and the number name. How to write.
அதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்காது.
Now children, we counted the beats 10 tens till 100. So 2-digit numbers. First we'll recall the 1-digit numbers, single digit numbers, what you studied in the first standard and all. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 9, it's a single digit numbers. When you come to the 10, it comes in a 2 numbers, 1 and 0. So this only we are saying 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit numbers starts from 10. You see here 10. 10 comes after 10. What will come? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What number will come next? 20. Understand? This is the 2-digit numbers. When 10 comes, after 10, all the numbers comes under 2-digit numbers. After that, 90. 90 means after 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 2-digit number. After 99, what number is this? 100. 100 is a 2-digit numbers? 100 is a 2-digit number? No. See, count and see. 1, 2, 3. So it starts 3-digit numbers. So still from 10 to 99 only 2-digit numbers. Now you see 20. When comes 20, easy way we can write 21. It's 2 digits comes as. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Like that, all the numbers starts 30, 31, 32, 40, 41, 42. Then ends with 50, 50, 51. These all are the 2-digit numbers, and the 100 is a 3-digit number. Now children, we are going to learn ones, tens, because we are learning the 2-digit numbers. So when you take 10, if you take this 10, first number will come this side. What side it is? Ones place. And 1 will come in a tens place. So together only we are saying 10. We take another number. 8, 8, 8, 8. First 8 we are putting in a ones place, and next 8 in a tens place. So 8 tens, 80. 8 tens, 80. 8 ones, 8. 80 plus 8, 88. This is the place value. First comes ones, then tens in a 2-digit numbers. Next we'll see 7, 5. 5 in a ones place, 7 in a tens place. Now 7 tens, 7 tens, 70. 7 tens, 70, and 5 ones. 70 plus 5, 70 plus 5, 75. So when you always you should keep in your mind, whenever you write the numbers, you should separate like this, ones and tens. It's a place value. What's the place value of 5 here? Ones. What's the place value of 7 here? Tens. Children, till now we learned the numbers. Now we are going to learn number names. If you know these numbers, it will be easy to write all the number names. Now see here. What is the spelling here? O-N-E, 1. T-W-O-2. This all you are learning from a KG class. T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. Now see here 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-N 13, 14, F-O-U-R 14. Here all see here from 14 it will be easy for to write F-O-U-R 4, T-E-N 14. Only T-E-N if you add it comes 14. But in 15 don't write F-I-V-E and T-E-N. It changes here F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. And 16 same will come. 6 spelling S-I-X 6, T-E-N 16. Same 7 also. S-E-V-E-N 7, T-E-N 17, E-I-G-H-T 8, T-E-N 18, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 19. Then 20 it changes. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Now wherever you want to write. Suppose you want to write a 21. What will write? 20 spelling here and the 1 spelling. Suppose 24. 24. And see here. The spelling for all still 100. 10, 20, 20 we learn 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. 40. Don't write F-O-U-R-T-Y. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Many will make mistake like this only. F-O-U-R-T-Y they are writing. Don't do that mistake. And 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. 60. 70. Here all T-E-E-N. Teen. Here all T-Y, T-Y comes. Got it? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Still 90 only 2-digit number. When it comes to 100, it is 3-digit numbers. Okay. In short way, I wrote here. If you know this spellings, still 100, we can write all the number names. Now you tell me, Jess, I'm writing 65. Okay, 65. Where's the 60 spelling? Okay, S-I-X. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. 5 spelling is here. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 13. I'm writing 13. 13 now you are right. T-H-I-R-T-Y, yeah. T-H, no. 13. Teen. T. Teen. T. You are pronounced like this. Teen. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Don't be confused. Then 15. 50. 15. 50. 50. 15. Same spelling will come. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. 15 ka F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Understand? When you learn these spellings, you can write still 1 to up to 99 and 100 you can write. I want you all to write from 51 to 100 spelling for the number names. 100 from 51 to 100 you all should write in the rough note and you have to send in the okay. From 51 to still 100 number and number names you have to write and you have to send on Wednesday. Wednesday, don't forget. Still 8 o'clock, up to 8 o'clock you can send it. Okay children, today we will learn 2-digit numbers and skip counting numbers. Skip counting numbers, I told you to write 10 tens, counting by tens you have to write. Then in numbers, 2-digit numbers from 51 to 100. You have to write it in the rough note, send it to the WhatsApp on Wednesday. Thank you children.